Hello everyone, hope you all doing fine. In the last videos we have seen the 5th chapter of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana. Today we will be moving with the 6th chapter Annaswarupa Vijnaniya Adhyaya. I am Dr. Kavya Vasudev from Ayur Samveda, a smart way to Ayurveda. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates. In the last videos, we have seen the 5th chapter of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana. If you have not seen that, please click the I button to access them. Today we will be moving with the 6th chapter, Annaswarupa Vijnaniya Adhyaya. अथादो अन्नस्वरूप विज्ञानीयम् अध्यायं व्याख्यास्यामः इतिह स्माहुरात्रयादयो महर्षयः अथाद अन्नस्वरूप विज्ञानीयम् अध्यायं व्याख्यास्यामः इतिह स्म आहुः आत्रयादयो महर्षयः. The chapter called as Annaswarupa Vijnaniya Adhyaya is being explained here as being told by Atrayadi Maharshis. In the 5th chapter, we have seen the details of Drava Dravya, that is liquid food items, and in this chapter, the details of various food materials, that is solid food materials, is being dealt with. It deals with the properties of Shugadhanya, Shimbidhanya, Pakwana, Mamsa, Shaka, Bhala, and Aushatha. The food grains are mainly classified into two types, that is Shugadhanya and Shimbidhanya. Shugadhanya are the cereals and Shimbidhanya are the pulses. So first, moving with the properties of Shugadhanya. The Shugadhanya are also of different varieties, and in this particular chapter, the different varieties of Shugadhanya mentioned or described are Shali, that is white colored rice, Vrihi, red colored rice, Trinadhanya, millet, Yava, barley, and Gothuma, wheat. Moving with the general properties of Shugadhanya, Atha Shugadhanya Vargaha, Rekto Mahan Sakalamas Turnakaha Shakunahridaha, Saramukho Dirkha Shuko, Rodrashukaha, Sugantikaha, Pundraha Panduhu Pundarikaha Pramodo Gaurasarivo Kanjano Mahishaha Shugo Dushakaha Kusvamantakaha Langala Lohavalakyaha Kardamaha Shidaphirukaha Padanga Stapaniyascha Yecha Anye Shalayaha Shubhaha. अथ शूगधान्य वर्गः रक्तो महान् स कलमः तूर्णकः शकुनाहृदः सारामुख दीर्घशूक रौद्रशूकः सुगन्धिकः पुण्ड्रः पाण्डुः पुण्डरीकः प्रमोदः गौरसारिवो काञ्चनो महिषः शूको दूषकः कुसुमाण्डकः लाङ्गला लोहवालाख्या कर्दमाः शीतभीरुकाः पदङ्काः तपनीयाः च ये च अन्ये शालयः शुभाः. अथ शूगधान्यवर्गः रक्तो महान् स कलमः तूर्णकः शकुनाहृदः सारामुख दीर्घशूक रौद्रशूकः सुगन्धिकः पुण्ड्रः पाण्डुः पुण्डरीकः प्रमोद गौरसारिवो काञ्चनो महिषः शूको दूषकः कुसुमाण्डकः लाङ्गला लोहवालाख्यः कर्दमा शीतभीरुकः पतङ्गाः तपनीयाः च ये च अन्ये शालयः शुभाः. The general properties of Shugadhanya is considered as Shubhaha, that is, it is very harmless or good for the consumption, and different varieties of Shugadhanya has been mentioned. A few has been told in this shloka, such as Raktashali, Mahashali, Kalamaha, Turnakaha, Shakunahृda, Saramukha, Dirghashuka, Rodrashuka, Sugandhika, Pundra, Pandu, Pundarika, Pramoda, गौरसारिव कांचन महिषः शूक दूषकः कुसुमाण्डकः लाङ्गला लोहवालाख्या कर्दमा शीतभीरुका पतङ्गाः तपनीयाः. These are a few varieties of Shugadhanya. Other than these, also there are different varieties of Shugadhanya. The general properties of Shugadhanya are स्वादुपागरसाः स्निग्धा वृष्या बद्धा अल्पवर्चसः कषायानुरसाः पथ्या लघवो मूत्रला हिमाः. स्वादुपागरसाः स्निग्धा वृष्या बद्ध अल्पवर्चसः कषाय अनुरसाः पथ्या लघवो मूत्रला हिमाः. स्वादुपागरसाः स्निग्धा वृष्या बद्ध अल्पवर्चसः कषाय अनुरसाः पथ्या लघवो मूत्रला हिमाः. The Shugadhanya is having Mathura Rasa and Mathura Vipaka. It is having Kashaya Anurasa. That is, Rasa is the most predominant taste which is being perceived, and Anurasa is the secondary or the other taste which is present in a Dravya. So this Shugadhanya is having Mathura Rasa and Kashaya Anurasa. It is Lakhu, that is easy to digest. It is Shitavirya. Snigdha, that is anxious. It is Pathya, that is good for the health. It is Vrishya, that is helps in aphrodisiac property. Betha Alpavarchasaha, that is it produces Betha Varchas or constipation, and Alpavarchas, that is feces in less quantity. And Mutrala, it increases the Mutra. A type of Shugadhanya is Shali, and among this Shali, the most important or the superior quality of one of the Shali is Rakta Shali. Moving with the properties of Rakta Shali. Shugajeshu Varastatra Raktas Trishna Tridoshaha. Shugajeshu Varaha Tatra Rakta Trishna Tridoshaha. Shugajeshu Varaha Tatra Rakta Trishna Tridoshaha. The red variety of rice or Shali is considered as the best quality, that is Varaha, and it helps in relieving the Trishna and also Tridoshaha, that is balances all the three doshas. Moving with the properties of Shali. Mahamstam anu kalamastam cha apyanu tadha pare. Mahan tad anu kalamaha tam cha api anu tadha pare. Mahan tam anu kalamaha tam cha api anu tataha pare. The different varieties of Shali has been mentioned. As in the previous shloka, it has been mentioned that Rakta Shali is the best or the superior among this Shali Varga. And next comes the Mahashali, then Kalama, and this order reduces, or the properties will be inferior in qualities as per the order. Other few varieties of Shali. Yavaka Hayanaha Pamsubashpa Naishakadayaha Swadushna Guravaha Snigdhaha Pake Amla Shleshma Pittalaha Srishtamutra Purishascha Purvam Purvamcha Nintitaha. Yavaka Hayanaha Pamsubashpa Naishathakadeyaha Swadu Ushna Guravaha Snigdhaha Pake Amlaha Shleshma Pittalaha Srishtamutra Purishaha cha Purvam Purvam cha Ninditaha. Yavaga Hayanaha Pamsubashpa Naishathakadeyaha Swadu Ushna Guravaha Snigdhaha Page Amlaha Shleshma Pittalaha Srishtamutra Purishaha cha Purvam Purvam cha Ninditaha. The varieties of Shali such as Yavaka, Hayana, Pamsubashpa or Koraka and Naishatha, these properties has been mentioned here. They are Swadu, that is Madhura Rasa, Amla Vipaka and Ushna Virya, Guru Guna, and it is Snigdha and Shleshma Pittala, that is it increases the Kapha and Pitta dosha, and Srishta Mutra Purisha, it helps in eliminating Mutra and Purisha. Purvam Purvam cha Ninditaha, that is they are inferior in qualities, that is Yavaka is the most inferior and Naishadha is the superior among these Shali Varga. Coming to the other variety of Shugadhanya, that is Vrihi. The different types of Vrihi are Shashtika Shali, Mahavrihi, Krishna Vrihi, Jadumukha, Kukkudantakaha, Lavakya, Paravataka, Shukara, Varaka, Uddalaka, Ujjwala, China, Sharada, Dardura, Gandhana, Kuruvindaha and Patala. The moving with the properties of Shashtika Shali. Snigdho Grahi Lakhuhu Swadu Tridoshaknaha Sthiro Himaha Shashtigo Vrihishu Sreshto Gaurascha Asida Gaurataha. Snigdhaha Grahi Lakhuhu Swaduhu Tridoshaknaha Sthiraha Himaha Shashtigo Vrihishu Sreshtaha Gauraha cha Asida Gaurataha. Snigdhaha Grahi Lakhu Swaduhu Tridoshaknaha Sthiraha Himaha Shashtigo Vrihishu Sreshtaha Gauraha cha Asida Gaurataha. The Shashtika Shali has got its name because this paddy which matures in 60 days, Shashti Dina, that is why this Shali has got the name as Shashtika Shali, and it is the best among all the dhanyas, that is especially among the Vrihi Dhanya. And it is of two types, that is Gaura, that is white colored, and Asida Gaura, that is blackish white in color. And the properties of Shashtika Shali are, it is Swadu, that is Madhura Rasa, it is Lakhu, easy to digest, it is Hima or Shita Virya, it is Sthira, that is it helps in producing the stability of the Sharira, it is Sniktha, that is anxious, and Grahi, that is produces the constipation, and Tridoshaknaha, that is it reduces the dosha kopana. Moving with the properties of other varieties of Vrihi, Tadaha Kraman Mahavrihi Krishnavrihi Jatumukhaha Kukkudandaka Lavakya Paravataka Shukaraha Varaka Uddalaga Ujjwala China Sharada Darduraha Gandhanaha Kuruvindascha Gunairalpantaraha Smritaha. Tataha Kramat Mahavrihi Krishnavirihi Jatumukhaha Kukkudandaka Lavakya Paravataka Shukaraha Varaka Uddalaga Ujjwala China Sharada Darduraha Gandhanaha Kuruvindaha cha Gunaihi Alpantaraha Smritaha. Tataha Kramat Mahavrihi Krishnavrihi Jatumukhaha Kukkudandakaha Lavakya Paravataka Shukaraha Varaka Uddalaga Ujjwala China Sharada Darduraha Gandhanaha Kuruvindaha cha Gunaihi Alpantaraha Smritaha. These are the different varieties of Vrihi, and they are inferior in properties when compared to Shashtika Shali. The general properties of these different types of Vrihi, such as Mahavrihi, Krishnavrihi, etc. Swaduramla Vipako Anyo Vrihi Pittakaro Guruhu Bahumutra Purishoshma Tridoshastueva Patalaha. Swaduhu Amla Vipaka Anyo Vrihi Pittakaraha Guruhu Bahumutra Purisha Ushma Tridoshaha Tu Eva Patalaha. Swaduhu Amla Vipaka Anyo Vrihi Pittakaraha Guruhu Bahumutra Purisha Ushma Tridoshaha Tu Eva Patalaha. The properties of the different varieties of Vrihi, such as Mahavrihi, Krishnavrihi, Jatumukha, etc. are, they are Swadu, that is Madhura Rasa, they are having Amla Vipaka, it is Guru, that is heavy to digest, it is Pittakara, that increases the Pitta dosha, and Bahumutra Purisha Ushma, and also it increases more of Mutra, Purisha and Ushma, that is temperature. And especially the variety called as Patala is having the property, that is Tridosha Kopana. It increases all the three doshas. Moving with the properties of Trinadhanya. Kangu Kodrava Nivara Shyamakadi Himam Lakhu Trinadhanyam Pavanakrit Lekhanam Kapapitta Hrit. Kangu Kodrava Nivara Shyamaka Adi Himam Lakhu Trinadhanyam Pavanakrit Lekhanam Kapapitta Hrit. Kangu Kodrava Nivara Shyamakadi Himam Lakhu Trinadhanyam Pavanakrit Lekhanam Kapapitta Hrit. The Trinadhanya are the different varieties are Kangu, Kodrava, Nivara, Shyamaka, etc. They are having Hima, that is Shitavirya, and Lakhuguna, it is having Lekhana property, that is scraping. Pavanakrit, it increases the Vata dosha, and Kapha Pitta Hrit, that is reduces Kapha and Pitta dosha. Moving with the other varieties of Trinadhanya. Bhakna Sandhanakrit Tatra Priyangur Brahmani Guruhu Koradoshaha Paramgrahi Sparshe Shito Vishapaha. Bhakna Sandhanakrit Tatra Priyangu Brahmani Guruhu Koradoshaha Paramgrahi Sparshe Shito Vishapaha. Bhakna Sandhanakrit Tatra Priyanguhu Brahmani Guruhu Koradoshaha Paramgrahi Sparshe Shito Vishapaha. The variety of Trinadhanya, that is Priyanku, is having the features such as Guru. It is Brahmani, that it helps in nourishment or bulk promoting, and Bhakna Santhanakrit, that is helps in union of the bonds after fracture. Bhakna refers to fracture and Santhanakrit refers to the bonding or union. Koradosha, another variety of Trinadhanya, is having the properties such as Grahi, that is it produces constipation, Sparshe Shita, that is it is very cold in touch, and Vishapaha, it helps in reducing the poison. Moving with the properties of Yava, that is barley. Rukshaha Shito Guruhu Swaduhu Saro Vidvadakrit Yavaha Vrishyaha Sthairya Mutrameda Pitta Kaphanjayed Pinasa Shvasakasa Urastamba Kanthatvak Amayan. Rukshaha Shita Guruhu Swaduhu Sara Vidvadakrit Yavaha Vrishyaha Sthairya Mutra Meda Pitta Kaphan Jayed Pinasa Shvasakasa Urastamba Kanthatvak Amayan. Rukshaha Shita Guruhu Swaduhu Sara Vit Vadakrit Yavaha Vrishyaha Sthairya Mutra Meda Pitta Kaphan Jayed Pinasa Shvasakasa Urustamba Kantha Tvak Amayan. The Yava is having the properties such as Ruksha, that is dry, Shita, that is Shitavirya or cold, Guru, heavy to digest, Swadu, that is Madhura Rasa, it is Sara, laxative, and Vit Vadakrit, it increases Vid or Purisha and also Vadadosha, and Vrishya, aphrodisiac, it is Sthairya, that is it helps in improving the stability of the Sharira, Mutra Meda Pitta Kaphanjaye, that reduces Mutra, Meda, Pitta and Kapha. It is applicable or indicated in conditions such as Pinasa, that is rhinitis, Shwasa, breathing difficulty, Kasa, cough, Urustamba, kind of diseases which is affecting the thighs, especially difficulty of movement, pain, stiffness of the thighs will be present, and it is mainly occurring because of the Kapha and Medodhadu, and in such condition Yava is useful. And Kantha Tvak Amayan, that is the diseases related to Kantha, that is throat region, and Tvak, that is skin disorders. Nyuno Yavad Anu Yavaha Rukshoshno Vamshajo Yavaha. Nyuno Yavad Anu Yavaha Ruksha Ushna Vamshajo Yavaha. Nyuno Yavad Anu Yavaha Ruksha Ushna Vamshajo Yavaha. The properties of types of Yava has been mentioned in this shloka. That is, first variety is Anu Yava, that is a small sized barley. It is Nyuno Yavat, that is it is having proper qualities inferior than that of the normal Yava. And another variety of Yava is called as Vamshaja Yava or Venu Yava, that is the seeds of bamboo, and it is having the properties such as Ruksha, that is dry, and Ushna. Moving with the properties of Godhuma or wheat. Vrishyaha Shido Guruhu Snigdho Jivano Vadapittaha Santhanakari Madhuro Godhumaha Sthairyakrit Saraha Pathya Nandimukhi Shita Kashaya Madhura Lakhuhu. Vrishyaha Shita Guruhu Snigdha Jivana Vadapittaha Santhanakari Madhura Godhumaha Sthairyakrit Saraha Pathya Nandimukhi Shita Kashaya Madhura Lakhuhu. Vrishyaha Shita Guruhu Snigdha Jivana Vadapittaha Santhanakari Madhura Godhumaha Sthairyakrit Saraha Pathya Nandimukhi Shita Kashaya Madhura Lakhuhu. The properties of Godhuma are, it is Shitavirya, Guru Guna, Snigdha Guna, Madhura Rasa, and Vadapittaha, that is reduces Vata and Pitta dosha, and it is having the properties such as Vrishya, that is aphrodisiac, it is Jivana, it helps in improving the life, Santhanakari helps in union or binding, and Sthairyakrit helps in increasing the stability of the Sharira, and it is Sara, that is laxative. A variety of Godhuma is called as Nandimukhi, and it is having the properties such as Pathya, that is good for the health, Shitavirya, Kashaya Madhura Rasa, Lakhu Guna. Today we have seen the details of Shukadhanya Varga from the 6th chapter of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana. We will be continuing the same chapter in the next videos. For more updates on Samhita, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.